use a 785 spindles. And normally, when they brought it, we strip it down. We found there's a lot of wear on the bearing general. So what we do, we have a metal spray machine.
We use it to build up engine decks, the cylinder block, cylinder head, and the spindle. So now we have a spindle in the spray booth, which is to be built up because it is worn. We do that to ensure that we prolong the lifespan of the spindle and all other components that come from metal spray.
So we send it to the metal spray and then spray with the metal, and we bring it to the machine to cut it according to cut specification.
We try to reduce the cost component for the customer by ensuring that we cut down their cost, not going for a new component from Caterpillar, but trying to work on their own component so that they can reuse it again.